Jussie Smollett is a free man. It is both stunning and not unexpected. The Illinois Supreme Court has said this is just like the Bill Cosby case, that the prosecutors struck a deal, in this case with Jussie Smollett. And the deal, the first time around, when Kim Foxx, the state's attorney, filed charges, the deal was do 15 hours of community service, pay $10,000 for the cost of investigating this case in the field, and we will drop the case. They dropped the case, and then it was refiled because of pressure in Chicago. Kim Foxx had some relationship with Jussie's family. People said it was untoward, so they went back to the grand jury, filed the same charges again, essentially, and ultimately Jussie was convicted and sentenced to 150 days in prison. Well, the Illinois Supreme Court said no, that once you strike a deal, and especially when the defendant performs his end of the bargain, it's over. It is double jeopardy to prosecute him again. So this is a stunning loss for the state's attorney in Chicago. And it really is underscoring something. This happened in the Bill Cosby case, where prosecutors went back on a deal. And when you look at what's going on with prosecutors now, that you've got some of them actually running for office saying, if I'm elected, I'll prosecute so-and-so. Not the way the justice system is supposed to work. I have been a lawyer for almost 50 years, and it was not this way before, and it's becoming this way. When prosecutors strike a deal, they have to honor it. Prosecutors are there to do justice, at least that's the theory, and not to win votes. Prosecutors are not there to cave to public pressure because the public doesn't like the result. And that seems to be what the trend is. It's got to stop. And this is a good example. Look, Jussie Smollett, a jury said, faked this alleged assault. The evidence was pretty overwhelming, but it's beside the point. The prosecutors made a deal and then went back on the deal. This hopefully is going to be some kind of a signal to prosecutors, especially after Cosby and this. You just can't do that.